Does the Bill of Rights guarantee my right to bear arms? Imagine living in a country where your ability to own a firearm is questioned or limited. Would you know if your rights are protected by law? That's where the Bill of Rights comes into play. It's a list of the first 10 amendments to the United States Constitution, written to protect your basic freedoms. One of these amendments is the Second Amendment, which is often linked to the right to bear arms. The Second Amendment states, "A well-regulated militia, being necessary to the security of a free state, the right of the people to keep and bear arms shall not be infringed." This was ratified on December 15, 1791, to help ensure that individuals could own weapons for defense and other lawful purposes. But what does this really mean for you today? There has been a lot of debate over whether the Second Amendment guarantees an individual's right to own guns or if it mainly protects the rights of states to maintain militias. Historically, some believed it only protected collective rights, meaning the states could have militias. However, into major Supreme Court cases, District of Columbia v. Heller in 2008 and McDonald v. Chicago in 2010, the court ruled that the amendment does protect an individual's right to own firearms. So, in simple terms, the Second Amendment does give you the right to own and carry guns for lawful reasons like self-defense or hunting. But this right is not unlimited. Federal and state governments can set reasonable rules and regulations to keep everyone safe. For example, there are laws about background checks, waiting periods, and restrictions on certain types of weapons or accessories. Knowing your rights means understanding that the Bill of Rights, especially the Second Amendment, protects your ability to own firearms. But it also means being aware that laws can change, and courts can decide what restrictions are acceptable. This balance helps protect your freedoms while aiming to keep the community safe. So, yes, the Bill of Rights does guarantee your right to bear arms, but it's a right that comes with responsibilities and limits set by law.